Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, welcome back with Nabil. And in this video, as you can see in the title of this video, I'm gonna make a configuration about pairing external BGP. And if you don't know about BGP is advanced routing that is work in globally. Uh, it's not same like OSPF, IGRP, NIP, and others. It's like we can say that OSPF, IGRP that is in internal, but BGP is for external. So like RSPF, we will use RSPF inside other buildings. Example, building A or this is Aiden boarding school, and then if the Aiden boarding school want to ping or make a relationship or want to peer into other school, example this Alexandria school. Uh, the this two school, both of this school need a router with BGP routing. So and it's not like input the area or just only input the network, but we use the name is AS. So we must peering to the AS or yeah the AS number. It's like the name area. Like Aiden Boarding School has area one or AS number AS one, ES one, and the Los Angeles School has AS two, and then this AS must pairing each other like that. And then in this tutorial, I only use a simple topology that using two router again like this, and then gonna connect it first and then start. Wait, what happened? Um, okay, wait, the filter is back. Then wait, and then gonna input again IOM Cisco. Okay, then gonna connect it and then turn on. Okay, gonna go inside the router like this, and then I'm gonna wait again until the routers don't to reboot or like to turn on the system. Okay, so already done. Show the system configuration dialog. Then just type no. Then filter to just type no. Gonna wait for a while again. Okay, click enter, enter. Okay, and then enable configuration terminal. Okay, as usual, we're gonna input the IP first. We're gonna add the IP first in interface that connect to other interface that is E0/0, and then my plan is to create the IP, the interface loopback also. We're gonna start from the interface E0/0, turn on the interface, and then the IP is 12.12.1. Then the prefix is 24. We're gonna create the loopback, and then the loopback is 11111, and then the prefix is 32. Okay, done. Move to the 32. Enable configuration terminal. Same, we're gonna go inside the interface E0/0 and then turn on, and then the IP address is 12.12.12.2, and the prefix is 24. Save, and then we're gonna create I interface loopback, and then the IP is 2222, Then the prefix is 32, like this. And then after that, we're gonna create the routing BGP, this router BGP, and then uh, we're gonna input the IS number. Example, if router one is Eden boarding school, have the IS number is 12, and then the router two is like is Alexandria school, has the IS number is uh, 13. And then first you're gonna input the network or we just need to input like internal IP or IP that it's not used to connect each other, so we don't need to input the IP 12 and then point zero like that. And then we just need to network, and then gonna input the IP loopback and then mask, and then input the subnet mask. That is prefix 32 or 255, 255, 257, 255, like this. And then if you want to pairing the router 1 to router 2 using this configuration make more, and then 12, 12, 12, 12, input the your neighbor IP address, that is 12, 12, 12, 12, 2, and then remote AS and remote ES, and then input the S number that of your neighbor, and return to S number is 13, so it's 13 like this. And then we're gonna do the same thing in the router 2. We're gonna input the IP loopback first, that is 2222, and then max uh, 32, and then neighbor, input the IP address of your neighbor, plus 1, and then remote ES, and then input your neighbor S number, that is 12, like this. If already done, the agency will up like this. You're gonna exit, and you can see in the routing table. You're gonna see in the routing table, okay, that there is network with B origin or BGP. This, if the network, if there is network with or B origin, it means the BGP peering is success. So we just need to test with ping to your neighbor. Okay, sample 2222. Okay, it's success, and then here I'm gonna show you the routing table. Okay, there is the network, or the IP, or information about your neighbor router, and then we ping to your neighbor. Okay, it's success. Okay, maybe that's all for this video tutorial about how to peering external BGP. And if there are if there are many mistakes for me, I do apologize. And I hope this knowledge is useful for you if you want to be a network engineer. And see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.